Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best hand tool kit set reviews.
Description: comprehensive tool set. Our household tools kit includes everything you need for small repairs and DIY projects, from hammers and screwdrivers to pliers and tape measures. Durable and reliable. Each tool in our set is heat-treated and chrome-plated, providing excellent resistance to corrosion and ensuring long-lasting performance. Easy organization. Keep your tools neatly organized and securely stored with the included plastic toolbox storage case.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.